Hello again, fourth graders. Welcome back to poetry. Today we're going to be doing lesson 3, and this lesson is called Hearing the Music in Poetry. Remember I talked about on the first lesson that many times poems are turned into songs? Well, that's the truth. A song isn't a song first. A song that you hear on the radio is first a poem that is then set to music. And before they can do that, before they can take a poem and set it to music, it has to have a little bit of rhythm. So today we're going to look at poems that have a little bit of rhythm, and then I'm going to have you try the same thing on your own with a new poem today. So first, let's look at one that doesn't have rhythm. And maybe it's just what you wrote something like this yesterday, and it's still okay. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do a poem. But today we're going to be looking to turn a poem into one with rhythm. So let's look here. Went to the beach, played on the shore, built me a sand house, ain't got it no more. Walked to the store, bought me a soda and candy, ain't got it no more. This is still a poem, still a good poem. But what if I wanted to turn it into a song? What if I wanted to hear music in it? How could I change it? Well, let's check out the example. Whoa. Hold on there a moment. I turned the page, wrong page. There we go. The bright yellow, it threw me. Okay, so this poem is actually a poem written by Eloise Greenfield. And this was just the original thoughts that she had before she put the poem to a little bit more of a rhythm. So let's listen to how it sounds now. Went to the corner, walked in the store, bought me some candy, ain't got it no more, ain't got it no more. Went to the beach, played on the shore, built me a sand house, ain't got it no more, ain't got it no more. Went to the kitchen, lay down on the floor, made me a poem, still got it, still got it. Do you kind of hear how it has a beat now? Let me say it again with a little bit of clapping, okay? Went to the corner, walked in the store, bought me some candy, ain't got it no more, ain't got it no more. Do you feel like it? Do you hear how it has a little bit of a rhythm now? Whereas before, I was just saying went to the beach, played on the shore, built me a sand house, ain't got it no more. One thing she did was repeated herself here, ain't got it no more, ain't got it no more. So that helped her make some rhythm. Let's look at it again. Went to the corner, and you could even add a kind of almost sing-songy. Went to the corner, walked in the store, bought me some candy, ain't got it no more, ain't got it no more. Do you hear it? Has a little bit more rhythm, has a beat. Let's check out another example. The Rope Rhyme by Eloise Greenfield, same lady. Get set, ready now, jump right in, bounce and kick and giggle and spin. Listen to the rope when it hits the ground. Listen to the clappity slappity sound. Do you hear that song in there? I couldn't even say it without kind of singing it. It begged to be sung. So that's what we're going to be looking for today, is something that you could kind of sing. I keep wanting to say get set, get ready. I don't know why. Get set, ready now, jump right in, bounce and kick and giggle and spin. Do you hear that? We have a beat, 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 beat. So your rhythm in your poem could be anything you want. It could be just clap, or it could be clap, 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 clap. Do you feel like you're in music class now with Miss Barnes? But we can bring music right into our poetry. So let's go to look at another one. Mr. Sun, excuse my voice today. Mr. Sun wakes up at dawn, puts his golden slippers on, climbs the summer sky at noon, trading places with the moon. By J. Patrick Lewis. Do you hear it? It's got a beat. Let's try it. Mr. Sun wakes up at dawn, puts his golden slippers on. So it's another one of those ones with beat, 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 beat. And it has to do with the syllables of the words that he chose to write it. Let's look at the next one. And this was one of my favorites, and often the kids choose to do something like this French fry one because it's fun to do the repeating. French fry, all greasy and yummy. French fry, get in my tummy. Deep fry, eat them, eat a whole bunch. Crispy, crunchy, French fries, crunch, crunch, munch. Do you hear the beat? French fry, all greasy and yummy. So again, it's beat, 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 beat. That seems to be a popular one here. So let's talk today about what you're going to do. If you notice, these are all about something specific. If we go back to the jump rope one, we're talking about jumping rope. If we go to this one here is about the sun, and this one here is about French fries and getting in my tummy, basically. Munch, munch, munch. So today I'm going to have you guys open the same exact one that we have been using so far, because there's 3 lessons in it. So you should have on your first page your poem with meaning. On your next page, you should have the revised poem from the first lesson that you put in page breaks or line breaks. And today, this is lesson 3, hearing that music in poetry. I want you to first think of a thing you'd like to write about, like the sun or a jump rope, and put that up here at the top. And then start thinking about that rhythm. If you want to do the one like French fry, it does seem to be kind of the easiest one to try to practice on. Take your thing and repeat it first, and then say something about it, and then repeat it, and then say something about it. Okay? Let me see if I can think of something right now. I noticed that the thing they did, French fry, has 2 syllables, and it probably would work the best if whatever I had either had 2 syllables or I gave it a little more description. Trying to think of something good for you guys. Oh, I have a bookmark here in front of me. Bookmark, bookmark. Oh, what could I say? Bookmark, bookmark. All pretty and shiny. Mine happens to be shiny. Bookmark, bookmark. All pretty and shiny. Bookmark, bookmark. Holds my place. Now, I didn't rhyme as cool as they did. But if I sat here and thought about it for a little while, could I have found 2 words that rhymed on my second sentences? Sure. Do I have to? No, because all poems don't have to rhyme, right? So find something, like I just found bookmark, and try to write about it, or think about anything else that you would like to write about. And this one just happens to be a trip to the store. So it doesn't have to be an item. It could be an event too, a trip to the store, going to school, whatever you want. All right, so you'll be opening this as your teacher tells you to, and get started on your poem using music and rhythm. All right, guys. See you next time.